Hello friends, I hope everyone fine, and today we came with the new topic regarding scaffolding and its components. In this video, all components explained in briefly, so kindly watch this video without skip. What is scaffolding? Scaffolding is a temporary working platform to provide support both men and material for working place. It is used in maintenance, construction and demolition work. Scaffolding components. There are 19 scaffolding components. Let us start video now so that we will understand all components. We will start scaffolding bottom to top. So it can be very simple understanding for everyone. First, sole plate. A timber, concrete or metal spreader used to distribute the load from a standard or base plate to the ground. Base plate. A metal plate with a spigot for distributing the load from a standard or racker or other load bearing tube. Adjustable jock. These are extensively used at a bottom of standard to provide maximum adjustment at a level. Standard. A vertical or near vertical tube which carries the scaffold's weight and loads imposed to the supporting structure. Ledger. A longitudinal tube normally fixed parallel to the face of a structure in the direction of the larger dimensions of the scaffold. It acts as a support for the footlocks, transems and frequently for the tie tubes, ledger braces and usually joined to the adjacent standards. Scaffolding planks. Manufactured scaffold planks used for a work platform must consist of at least 2 or more planks placed side by side to provide a work surface. Scaffold planks must be secured against any movement in any direction. Toe board. An upstand at the edge of platform intended to prevent materials or operative feet from slipping off the platform. Guardrail. A member incorporated in a structure to prevent the fall of a person from a platform or accessway. Ladder. A piece of equipment consisting of a series of bars or steps between two upright lengths of wood or metal used for climbing up and down something. Bracing. A tube placed diagonally with respect to the vertical or horizontal members of a scaffold and fixed to them to afford stability. Joint pin. An expanding fitting placed in the bore of a tube to connect one tube to another coaxially. Transom. A tube spanning across ledges to form the support for boards or units forming the working platform or to connect the outer standards to the inner standards. Brick guard. A metal or other fender filling the gap between guardrail, toe board and sometimes incorporating one or both of these components. Couplers. Couplers are the fittings which hold the tubes together. The most common are called scaffold couplers, and there are 5 basic types: right angle couplers, footlock couplers, swivel couplers, sleeve couplers and parallel couplers. Footlock. A horizontal tube with a flattened end to rest in R on part of the brickwork or structure. Radial tube. A tube fixed between two opposite surfaces by means of a threaded fitting or by placing it across an opening in structure to form an anchor to which the scaffold may be tied. Tie or tie assembly. The components attached to an anchorage or the structure are formed around a part of it, or wedged or screwed into it with a tie tube used to secure the scaffold to the structure. Scuff tag. A simple means of indicating whether or not a scaffold is safe to use and at the same time provides various other information to help prevent overloading. Outriggers. A supported scaffold consisting of a platform resting on outriggers beams projecting beyond the wall or face of the building or structure, the inboard ends of which are secured inside the building or structure.